Starring in Bam, a Calc movie, as Bill Nye the Integration Guy, the fabulous Ross Dinsmore. Starring as our villain in Bam, a Calc movie, as Dr. Differentiation is the ever-fantastic Andrew Hussman. Himself yet slightly modified is Ryan Bechtel as Ryan Buchtel.
Integration. That's right. Integration. Bill Nye the Integration Guy here. Here to tell you integration is the best thing that has ever happened to this world, and I love it. Simply love it. Well, let me ask you something. Do you love America? Because America loves integration. Integration's good, America's good. Communism. That's bad. Guess what's also bad? Differentiation. You see a connection. That's why we won the Cold War. Let me ask you something. What's differentiation good for? Well, you can find the slope of a line. Or maybe even the slope of a slope of a line. Or maybe even the slope of a slope of a slope of a line. Or maybe even the slope of a 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 line. Let me ask you, is that useful? No. What can you use that with? Nothing. But you can use integration, because it will find the area under a curve, or maybe in the area between two curves. Integration is the best thing that has ever happened to this world, and I'm here to prove it. By this high-tech formula that I have devised, these greatest minds in the world, in me, over 4 years, we have devised this formula. Integration is greater than differentiation and is so not equal. Let me prove it. While we were walking around one day, getting some pizza, maybe a hoagie, we found a poor differentiation problem on the side of the road. It was differentiated. It was cut down from its former glory just to a slope of its former self. And we decided that we, using our high-tech, high-budget resources, would return it to its former glory. Follow me. This is always hard. It's never easy to see a problem in such terrible condition. But we're going to do the best we can. Well, the original problem was 2x minus 3x squared, and we're going to integrate that to return it. So, we're going to integrate 2x to get 2x squared over 2 minus the integration of 3x squared to get 3x cubed over 3 plus c to account for what differentiation destroyed in its evil process. Differentiation. So we simplify it down and get x squared minus x cubed plus c. Now we can never quite know what this c is without more data, because differentiation destroyed it completely. But it's close. It's close. It's the best we can do. If you look here, we're working day and night. My research assistants, we're working to figure out how to return this C without having to have more data, because differentiation must be stopped. Good work, everyone. You're bringing good work to my name. Bill Nye the Integration Guy. Sounds so good. We have almost restored this problem to its former glory, except for that little plus C. Work on that. We have tons of funding. But let's put that funding to good use. Dance party! time! Woo!
Open your eyes, I see. Your eyes are open. When no disguise for me, come into the open.
Not to betray Bill Nye the Integration Guy by summoning his arch nemesis, Dr. Differentiation. To summon Dr. D, I will differentiate this function. First, I'll rewrite the function as 5 minus 3x, the quantity to the 1/2. Then I will substitute 5 minus 3x as u using the chain rule, where u equals 5 to the 3x minus 3x. Differentiating that will equal 3 dx. The differentiation of u to the 1/2 will be 1/2 u to the negative 1/2. I'll substitute u back in and multiply by the differentiation of the u value. That will equal negative 3/2 times 5 to the minus 3x to negative 1/2. Next, I'll move the quantity 5 minus 3x. What's wrong? To negative 1/2 to the denominator. There we go. Dream last night of having right in the mouth and diamonds on my mind. Alright, enough of this. Come here, kitty. I just wish I could show that Bill Nye, that clearly differentiation is superior to integration. But it's okay, kitty. He'll get the picture as soon as I blow up his lab. I just have to wait for my minion to get back to me. Gosh, he's taking forever. Just can't get good help these days, can you, kitty? No, you can't. That's him. Come on, kitty. Go do kitty things. I have work to do. Finally, it's time to start the dark differentiation ritual. So I can finally get into Bill Nye's lab. And as soon as my partner completes his problem, I shall have a portal, a gateway, directly into his lab. So I shall start my half of the problem. I will differentiate the natural log of a natural log of x cubed. To start off, I take the natural log of what's in the parentheses, which will be 1
over